How to keep bananas fresh for a month. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. After just 2 days, the golden bananas quickly turned black, soft, and rotten. Don't waste your money. With a special preservation secret from an experienced fruit farmer, you can keep bananas fresh for up to half a month, sweet as if they were just picked. So why do bananas turn black so quickly? There are 2 main reasons. Bananas naturally produce ethylene gas, which speeds up the ripening process, darkening the skin. And external factors such as ripening agent residue or too low a refrigerator temperature cause bananas to spoil faster. Once you understand the cause, preserving bananas will become extremely simple. Right now, I will reveal to you the standard method to help extend the storage time of bananas most effectively. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Bananas are often prone to ripening quickly, even turning brown when exposed to air. However, with just a little trick using foil, you can keep bananas fresh for a long time, ripen more slowly, and not spoil early. Take the bunch of bananas you want to preserve. Gently use scissors to separate each fruit from the common stem. When separating, keep the remaining stem as intact as possible. Use a knife or scissors to cut off the stem if it is too long, leaving only a short section just enough to cover it with aluminum foil. Cutting it neatly will help the foil wrap to be more tight and secure. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Cut the foil into small pieces just enough to cover the stem of each banana. Use aluminum foil to wrap the stem tightly so that the air cannot come into direct contact with the stem. Make sure there is no gap, but you don't need to wrap the whole banana. Just covering the stem is enough. After wrapping, arrange the bananas in a basket or airy box. Place in a cool, dry place. If the weather is too hot, you can put it in the refrigerator, vegetable compartment. But the banana peel may darken, but the inside is still delicious. Wrapping the banana stem with aluminum foil helps limit the ethylene gas released from the stem, the gas that makes the fruit ripen quickly. Helps the banana ripen slower, keeping it fresh for 3 to 5 days longer than normal storage. Method 2. Overripe bananas often rot quickly and spoil easily if left out. Instead of throwing them away, you can completely store them in the freezer for later use. This method not only retains the natural sweetness, but is also very convenient for making smoothies, ice cream, or cakes. Prepare ripe bananas, the sweeter the better. Peel off all the banana skin. Place the bananas on a plate. Remove any bruised parts, keeping the delicious banana flesh. You can leave the whole fruit if you want to use it for ice cream or baking. If you leave the whole fruit, you can wrap each fruit directly with plastic wrap. Then put it in the freezer. Or cut it into small slices, about 2 to 3 centimeters, for easy use when making smoothies or cakes. If you cut the slices, arrange the bananas on a small tray lined with wax paper. Keep the slices separate. Then put them in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours to freeze the bananas. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then take the banana tray out and put it in a zip bag or wrap it with plastic wrap. This will prevent the bananas from sticking together. Put the wrapped bananas in the freezer. Bananas can be stored for 1 to 2 months, still retaining their sweetness and smoothness when blended. When needed, just take the bananas out of the freezer and remove the wrap. Can be used directly to blend smoothies, make banana ice cream, or defrost for a few minutes if you want to eat them right away. This way of preserving bananas keeps them from overripe for longer, avoiding waste. The natural sweetness of bananas is even stronger after freezing. Convenient for making quick desserts such as smoothies, banana ice cream, banana cakes. Method 3. Bananas usually ripen quickly and are prone to darkening when left out in the air. But with just newspaper and plastic bags, you can completely keep a bunch of bananas fresh longer in the refrigerator. Here I preserve one bunch of bananas. Green or just ripe bananas will have a longer preservation effect. Choose a bunch of bananas with the stem intact, not crushed. Wipe gently to remove dirt, no need to wash with water. Use clean, dry newspaper to wrap the whole bunch of bananas. Wrapping with newspaper helps limit light and air from coming into direct contact with the banana peel, slowing down the ripening process. After wrapping with newspaper, put the whole bunch of bananas in a large plastic bag. Tie the bag tightly, but leave a small gap for air circulation to prevent the bananas from being steamed and spoiling quickly. Put the wrapped banana bag in the refrigerator compartment, vegetable compartment. The cool temperature in the refrigerator will help inhibit ethylene gas, the gas that causes bananas to ripen quickly. The effect of this preservation method helps bananas ripen slowly, prolonging their freshness by 5 to 7 days compared to leaving them outside, preserves the natural sweetness of the bananas, limits the condition of the peel turning black quickly. Method 4. Use a clean knife to cut off any blackened or damaged stems. Even a small mold spot can spread quickly to the entire bunch of bananas. Then, wrap the banana stem tightly with plastic wrap. Wrap it in multiple layers to prevent air from getting in. This helps reduce the amount of natural ethylene gas released by the fruit during ripening. When the stem is sealed, the ethylene gas does not escape, slowing down the ripening process and keeping the bananas fresher longer. At the same time, the banana peels will not turn black. When storing, do not stack bananas on top of each other or place them close to the table. The best way is to hang bananas. This helps avoid bruising, reduces surface contact, and keeps the banana peels bright and beautiful. If hanging is not possible, place the bananas with the curve facing up and the concave side facing down, similar to the natural position the bananas will grow in, helping to distribute pressure more evenly. And finally, never put bananas in the refrigerator. Cold temperatures cause cold shock, which causes the enzymes in the banana peel to react strongly, causing the peel to turn black, even though the inside is still edible. Always store bananas in a cool, room temperature place, away from direct sunlight. With a few simple steps, you can keep bananas fresh longer, avoiding food waste. If you are looking for a delicious, healthy, and easy-to-make snack at home, dried bananas are the perfect choice. The natural sweetness of bananas combined with the attractive crunchiness will make you remember them forever. Let's get started. Prepare 3 ripe bananas. Peel the bananas. Cut the bananas into moderate slices, not too thin to avoid crushing when drying. Prepare a bowl of clean water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 lemon slices. Soak the sliced bananas for about 5 minutes. Soaking bananas in salted lemon water helps the banana slices not turn black, keeping the beautiful yellow color. Increases the mild flavor, reduces the greasy feeling, helps the bananas become crispier after drying. Remove the bananas and drain. Line the oven tray with parchment paper. Arrange the bananas on the tray, making sure not to overlap each other so that the bananas ripen evenly. Place the tray in the oven. Set the temperature to about 100 to 120 degrees Celsius and dry for 60 to 90 minutes, depending on the thickness of the banana slices and the oven capacity. During the drying process, you can turn the bananas once to make them crispy and golden brown. When the time is up, take the banana tray out and let it cool. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place it on a plate and enjoy the crispy, naturally sweet, extremely attractive dried bananas. With just a few simple steps, you can keep the bananas fresh for more than 1 month without worrying about spoilage. And if the bananas are ripe, now you have a recipe for delicious, easy-to-make dried bananas that the whole family will love. Thank you for watching the whole video. Try making dried bananas and leave a comment to share your feelings. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next great tips. See you next time.